Hey y'all, it's your girl JJC. So welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already a subscriber. And if you are, then you are part of me. Yes, thank you so much for sticking around, for supporting, and just showing love and all that good stuff. Thank you so much. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. Alright, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys a dancehall move called a Raging Bull. So if you're interested in that, definitely stick around. Okay y'all, so before we get started, I want to break down the look a little bit. You can see the cow print. So actually, if you didn't know, the cow is the female counterpart to a bull. Alright, so the cow is the one that gives birth and can give the milk, while the bull is the male and he can't do none of that. These earrings are from stylistavenue.com. This bikini type top is from Victoria's Secret, and these tights are actually authentic, like cycling, like bicycle cycling tights. So it's like stretchy material. It's by the brand Garneau. You can see that right there. I believe it's French, and they are a little big, but for the purposes, I think they're fitting okay. And then I just got my no-name low-cut sneaker runners, whatever you want to call them. Okay, and then my bangles from Beauty Store. And then I did a little cow print nail. And there you have it. That's my look. So let's get started into the warm-up. I encourage warming up. It's just super helpful, super important. Some of you have never worked certain muscle groups before, so you may feel some soreness the next day, and warming up and stretching can be very helpful for you. It also just helps get the blood circulating, so you're a little more flexible. Okay guys, so I'm going to be teaching you guys a dancehall move called a raging bull, created by Ovamarz. It's going to take time and practice and coordination. It's a full body movement. The move is going to be like this. So I'll show you the footwork first. So it's going to be, I start with my right because I'm right-handed. So take the right foot, bring it back diagonally and tap the toes there. Come back, do the same thing with the left side. Left foot, bring it back diagonally, tap your toe, bring it back forward, and then repeat that. Okay? So repeat each side, right, then left, then right, then left. Okay? So you can keep doing that. And the tempo is much faster. I'm just doing it slow to show you guys, but it's supposed to look like this. Okay, so you're gonna be hopping with it. Alright, so you just get used to this. You can start here and then get faster and hop side to side with it, still tapping the toes behind you. Okay. Now the arms, so when I bring my right foot back diagonal, my left arm crosses and my fist is almost like to my right shoulder. My left fist is like to my right shoulder. Okay, so it's like opposites. Right leg back, left arm up, and almost making like a V. Okay, so like this. So here to here. Same on this other side, boom, left foot back, right foot. And meanwhile, you're kind of a little bit hunched, like a little bit crouched. Here, 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 here. Okay, so remember, you eventually want to get it faster if you're going to do it to the song, or just go with the song tempo, whatever song that you like. Okay, so here. Okay, so you're gonna do that. Then the next part, this one, there's like variations to it. So some people do it differently, but this is like my breakdown for you guys. Go left arm, right foot coming up. Okay, so the right foot, you're leaning your body weight to lean it back. Here, to pivot, turn here. Okay. Okay. All right. So. Okay. So you can add some horns to it. Raging, raging bull, raging bull, raging bull. Okay. The last part of the move, like the next part of it, is, it's kind of funny, but it's like a raging bull. So your leg is, I'm gonna put my weight on my right foot, and my left one is kind of up here, like so, and it's just kicking out, but I'm not touching the floor. I'm just kicking like into the air. So every time I'm kicking out, I'm pulling in. So out is in. Okay? So when I kick out like this. And it's kind of like a diagonal out like this. Okay? So it's gonna go in, in. there you have you guys. You just learned how to do the dancehall move called Raging Bull. I hope you guys had a good, fun time because I had a fun time teaching you guys. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and all that good stuff. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl Jane JC. Toodles!